Look at this beauty. Look at this.
This is the best for bachelors, and all you need is cardboard boxes. And I tell you, all this is very sturdy. I can literally even sit on it. I tried by the end of the video.
And yeah, this is how it.
This supply. It is sturdy. It is perfect. I even literally put bricks on it. I'll tell you how I managed to make it that sturdy using the cardboard.
Do I have your attention?
Hi guys, this is Sukriti. Welcome back to my channel. Lockdown chal raha hai, I cannot order a lot of stuff, and I did already spend a lot in buying the appliances and everything. So I thought living room I can do a little bit of DIYing to make it look prettier and good. So yeah, I made the very day my flatmates, belongings got out of the house. The movers and packers came, and then they took all of the more than half of the material and things that we had in the house, because honestly most of the things were hers. So yeah, then I that very day made a DIY cardboard table. Like it's more sort of a small cutesy low-rise coffee table, I would say. And yeah, my voice also must be like echoing because I ruined the mic that I was using, and I don't even know how I did that. But yeah, we are back to the basics. I'll be ordering a ring light and a mic soon, but till that time bear with me. And yeah, I think we should just begin the video. All you would need is cardboard box and cardboards and sellotape and some cloth or a painting brush. Yeah, that is it. So let's begin the video. So all you need is a cardboard box. So I've taken a smaller one because I made the table already for my living room. So just to give you walk you through the procedure, I've taken the small cardboard box. So the bottom part and the upper part not be covered. Now you take the cloth that you have, place it on one side of the cardboard that we would be covering. Now remember that the topmost part and the bottom part, we will not be covering that with the cloth, and I'll tell you later why. So you place the cloth and just cut a little extra cloth from all the sides, because you will need to tape it later. So the actual length that you need, the actual amount of fabric that you would require, the length of fabric, you cut 1 inch or ½ inch extra from all the sides, just like I have done. Now I would suggest you take a thicker print of the cardboard box is not visible, it's not translucent, जैसे अभी हो रहा है वीडियो में. Now what I have done is I have taken tape and now I am pasting it on the top part. So it's done. This is how it will look. Now you pick another side, take the tape out again, which for sure is a task for me. Yes, so successful. Now make sure when you are taping these sides to stretch the fabric so that उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा creases नहीं है and it is not looking shabby and everything. Taped it from the second side as well. Now what you do is you pick the bottom part to paste it with the tape. So what we have done is we have taken the first cloth and pasted, taped it from all 4 sides everywhere while we were stretching the fabric. Now I have deliberately kept the video as it was. I have not fast forwarded it because I have done that in almost every video of mine, and I just feel that maybe उससे process उतने अच्छे से समझ नहीं आता है. So let me know in the comments if you like it this way. So first part is this is how it will look. Now for the second part, what we'll do is we'll pick the cloth we have again, and place it to see kitna chahiye and kitna we need to cut further. Now what you do is एक taped जो side है वो you have to hide. The cloth you are putting above, on the cloth that is there already taped. So उस हिसाब से you need to cut the fabric. Now this is how the cloth is. What you do is you place it and tape it from first of all. I'm just cutting the extra portion. Okay, so now I'm just placing it again, and taping it. Now remember, when you are taping the cloth on the cardboard, do not take the tape on the cloth wala side of the first part. Okay? And after that, our first side tape हो गया. I'm taping the second side. जिधर cardboard है, जिधर cloth नहीं है. So I'm just giving you like a teaser sort of a thing, a little process. And this is how it is. नीचे से you will just tape it like this, stretch करके, and then do the same process, repeat the same process on the other two sides. So I'll show you how it will look. This is how it will look by the end. This is the actual cardboard box that is there as a table in my living room. This is how it looks. ऊपर से taped है, नीचे से taped है. And then I have this big cardboard मतलब गत्ता था मेरे पास. So I have combined two cardboard boxes, took the cloth and taped it like this. And then I have kept it over. Excuse me for the patch that is there सामने because उसमें पानी गिर गया था. So I'll wash it. And yeah, you just place it. It's like that. Now if you want, you can tape. This is how it will look, the cardboard box. If you want, you can tape the cardboard box with the cardboard that is there on the top, or you can keep it like this. I like to keep it this way only. And yes, I can sit, but dent to आएगा, इतना वजन आएगा तो, right? So I hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you next time in the new video very very soon. Let me know in the comments, you guys, if you'd like to see more home decor videos, because I'm doing a lot of DIY and I'm planning to put it all out there on my YouTube channel. And hope this helps, and hope the videos I'll be putting आगे भी will help. And I'll see you next time really really soon. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below anything about me or the channel, good or bad, anything will do. Just comment and let me know. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.